Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, watching the videos and completing your work. So children, in the previous video, we were doing chapter 9, that is fun with paint. Children, we had started book exercise of this chapter. Let us do question number C. So till now we have done question number A and B. Now we are going to do question number C. Question number C we have, in question number C we have, write the names of the following tools. W-R-I-T-E, right? The names, N-A-M-E-S, names of the following tools. Write the names of the following tools. So here some of the tools are given. We are going to identify and write their name. So firstly children, if you can see here, there is a box in which we have like this, and then second one, if you can see on page number 71, second one is another box in which we have A, this is A, and third one we have here, we have a box in which we have another shape, and this shape is somewhat like this. Okay? Now fourth one is like this, somewhat like this. So these are the different shapes. Now children, if you look at the shapes, you have to identify and tell for what purpose we use these tools. So these are the different tools. These are the different tools which are used to draw different shapes in MS Paint program. So here children, we have first one. ये हमारा है first tool. This tool is used to draw curve line. If you want to draw curve, you will use this tool. That is why it is known as CURVE, curve, TOOL tool. इस वाले टूल से ऐसा जो शेप बना होता है, इससे हम कर्व टूल कहते हैं, और इसको यूज करके हम कर्व ड्रॉ करते हैं. उसके बाद हमारे पास है ए भी हमारे पास है. ए is a tool which is known as text tool and it is used to write text between the drawing. जो भी हम ड्राइंग बनाते हैं ड्राइंग एरिया में, उस ड्राइंग एरिया में ड्राइंग के बीच में अगर हमें कुछ लिखना है तो we use this tool and it is known as TEXT, text, TOOL tool. इसे हम text tool कहते हैं. Now third one is another tool which is somewhat like a rectangle but the sides are round. That is why it is known as rounded rectangle tool. इसलिए हम इसको कहते हैं rounded rectangle tool. ये rounded rectangle tool है जिसको यूज करके हम शेप बनाते हैं जिसके कॉर्नर्स राउंड है, इसलिए हम इसको कहते हैं राउंडेड, ROUNDED, राउंडेड रेक्टेंगल, RECTANGLE, rectangle, TOOL tool. This tool is used to draw shape like rounded rectangle. इस टूल को यूज करके हम राउंडेड रेक्टेंगल टूल को ड्रॉ करते हैं. यहाँ पे इस टूल के कॉर्नर्स जो है वर्टिसेस वो राउंड है, इसलिए हम इसको राउंडेड रेक्टेंगल कहते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज, ये जो टूल है इसको यूज करके इसे हम कहते हैं पॉलीगन टूल, बिकॉज वी कैन ड्रॉ यूजिंग दिस टूल वी कैन ड्रॉ एनी क्लोज्ड फिगर विथ n नंबर ऑफ साइज और मेनी नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. तो हम ऐसा कोई शेप अगर ड्रॉ करना चाहते हैं जिसमें बहुत सारे साइड्स हो या कितने भी नंबर के साइड है, तो हम यहाँ पर इस टूल को यूज करते हैं. हम इसे ट्राइंगल भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, रेक्टेंगल भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, स्क्वायर भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद 6 साइड्स वाले, 5 साइड्स वाले, पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, हेप्टागन, कोई भी शेप लेकिन क्लोज्ड होना चाहिए, क्लोज्ड शेप को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. तो हियर दिस टूल इज यूज टू ड्रॉ एनी शेप विथ n नंबर ऑफ sides or any number of sides. That is why it is known as polygon tool. POLYGON, polygon, TOOL tool. So these are the different names of the picture of the tools given. So ये नाम है जो इन टूल्स के हैं जिनको यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, एंड वाइल ड्राइंग ऑल्सो यू विल यूज, इफ यू नो द नेम ऑफ दीज टूल्स यू कैन यूज इट वाइल ड्राइंग। तो ये हो गया कर्व टूल, ये हो गया टेक्स्ट टूल, ये हो गया राउंडेड रेक्टेंगल टूल, ये हो गया पॉलीगन टूल। So write the names of the following tools. So these are the tools we have identified and written their name. So first one is where we have a curve drawn here. इस तरह का curve बना हुआ है, इसे हम curve tool कहते हैं. We use this tool to draw curve. Then we have a text tool. Here if you want to write anything in between the drawing you can write using this tool. Here is the rounded rectangle tool, because the corners are round. This tool is used to draw a box with its sides rounded, corners rounded, and this one is polygon tool. This tool is used to draw a polygon. Now with this children we have completed question number C. Write in your notebook. Now we have question answers. As you can see on page number 71, question number D. Question number D में हमारे पास है question answer. We will do the question number D. We have यहाँ पे D में हमारे पास है, ये है D. D में हमारे पास है answer the following question. Answer ANSWER. Answer the following 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 questions. QUESTIONS questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Now we have, अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास है फर्स्ट वाला जिसमें we have what is the use of polygon tool. So children, question number 1, what is the use of a polygon tool? What is the use of a polygon? TOOL tool. What is the use of a polygon tool? So children, write the answer children. Here you will write answer. What is the use of a polygon tool? A polygon tool, polygon, GON gun, TOOL tool is used to draw, DRAW, draw. Polygon tool is used to draw a shape, used to draw a closed shape with any number of of sides, any number of sides. So children, polygon tool is used to draw a closed shape with any number of sides. So you will write answer. Polygon tool is used to draw a closed shape with any number of sides. This is your first question of question number D. So write it in your book. Write it in your book. I hope you have done. Now we will do question number 2. In question number 2 we have, let me rub this, which tool is used to write, which tool is used to write text in MS Paint? Which tool is used to, question number 2 we have, which tool is used to write, 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 which tool is used to write text, TEXT, text in MS Paint program, in MS Paint, text in MS PAINT, paint, used to write, which is used to write, or the question is which tool, यहाँ पे आपका tool आएगा, sorry, you will write here tool, then you will write is, which tool is used to write text इन MS पेंट, कौन से टूल को यूज करके हम MS पेंट में लिख सकते हैं. तो दिस ऑल्सो वी हैव लर्न इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. टू राइट एनीथिंग इन द पेंट चिल्ड्रन, MS पेंट प्रोग्राम, वी नीड टेक्स्ट टूल. तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे टेक्स्ट टूल. इट इज शोन somewhat like this and it is known as TEXT text. We can write text in the paint program using this tool. So this is text tool is used to write text, TEXT text in MS Paint, PAINT Paint, MS Paint. Text tool is used to write text in MS Paint. Now, question number 3. In question number 3, we have name the tool used to draw curves. Name, N-A-M-E, name the tools, T-O-O-L-S tools used to draw, D-R-A-W-S, draw curves, C-U-R-V-E-S, curves. Name the tools used to draw curves. Name the tools used to draw curves. Answer 3. Name the tools used to draw curves. So the tool used to draw curves are curve tool. So here we have a tool about which we have studied in the previous question also. This is called curve tool and this tool is used to draw curves. So you will write curve tool, C-R-V-E, curve, C-R-V-E, curve, T-O-O-L, tool. This is the tool which is used to draw curve in MS Paint. So these were the questions which we have completed. Please write these answers in your book. So first one was, what is the use of polygon tool? Polygon tool is used to draw a closed shape with any number of sides. यहाँ पे polygon tool is used to draw a closed shape with any number of sides. Now, which tool is used to type text in MS Paint? टेक्स्ट टूल. ये टेक्स्ट है, ए लिखा है बॉक्स में, दिस इज कॉल्ड टेक्स्ट टूल. टेक्स्ट टूल इज यूज्ड टू राइट टेक्स्ट इन MS Paint. Now, name the tools used to draw curves. Name the tools used to draw curves. So this is the tool which is called curve tool and this tool is used to draw curves. इस tool को use करके हम curves बना सकते हैं. Now, next one is application based question. I hope you all are done. Now we'll do our next question, that is question number E. Question number E में we have application based question. यहाँ पे हमें skill based या application based question है. Whatever we have learned, we are going to use in solving this question. So यहाँ पे है E. E में है application based question. A-P-P-L-I, application based, B-A-S-E-D, based question, Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question. So I am not writing the question. I will read and explain you. I will write the answer directly. So here children, in this question we have a story or we have a, यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक छोटा सा story type है in which we are going to understand what exactly we have to do. Now in MS Paint, Yash made a figure. MS Paint में यश ने एक figure बनाई, picture बनाई. Now he wants to add his name and class in the figure. अब जब भी हम ड्राइंग करते हैं हम अपना नाम लिखते हैं, नाम लिख के साइन करते हैं. अगर हम पेपर पे या कैनवस पे करते हैं तो उसमें नाम लिख के अपना सिग्नेचर डालते हैं. नाउ और अगर हमें कहीं डिपॉजिट करना है, सबमिट करना है तो हम उसमें अपना क्लास और सेक्शन भी डालते हैं. नाउ हियर Yash has drawn a picture in MS Paint and he wants to write his name and class between the drawing. Drawing के बीच में कहीं वो अपना नाम और क्लास लिखना चाहता है. तो now as he does not know which tool he has to use, you will help him in writing his name and class in the drawing. तो आपको उसकी मदद करना है ड्राइंग के बीच में नाम और क्लास लिखने में. So children, he doesn't know, but we very well know, as you have studied, I have told you, you very well know that if you want to write text in between the drawing, you will use text tool. आप text tool का यूज़ करोगे और ये जो text tool है, इस tool को यूज़ करके आप अपना नाम लिखोगे और क्लास लिखोगे. तो इस तरह से जो हमारा text tool है वो हमारा आंसर है. So you will write, यश, I will tell Yash to use text tool, T-E-X-T, text tool to write his name and class in the drawing. In the, यहाँ पे लाइन है, in the figure, ड्राइंग नहीं है, figure, F-I-G-U-R-E, figure. So I will ask Yash to use text tool. Text tool can be shown like this. This is the symbol for text tool and इसको हम text tool कहते हैं. Text tool. I will ask him to use text tool. ये आपका आंसर है. To write his name and class in the figure. So this is the answer of question number E. Here I was asked to help